Gang, so I've gotten a little haul that I'm gonna make enchilada. Okay, so first off, we got this, and I went shopping at Safeway. I've been shopping there because I work there. I don't work for them, but I'm there. So I got some cream of chicken. Sorry for the noises, gang. I got this chicken broth, sour cream, some jalapenos. Yes, we need some jalapeno. I got some of this just in case you want to, sometimes you want to put it onto your enchilada. I've been liking my sauce like this on, like drizzle it on or whatever. Okay, and we got this one. My sister Yvette said this is the best tomato sauce or paste that you can use. This one. I got one cilantro. I got a round onion. I was looking for green onion, but the green onion did not look nice at the store, so I didn't get any. And then I got some of this chicken thighs. So chicken thighs at Safeway is buy one get one free. Or chicken, this chicken here, it can be different chickens. I think it's different inside, but buy one get one free. And then I got this. I decided to shred my own cheese today because the other cheeses look like they have a lot of stuff inside that is unnecessary. Okay, so all of this here costs $43. Not too bad. Because this two alone would have been $30. Okay, so let's get cooking. First, I'm just gonna separate this because it's only me, right? So I'm gonna put four, and then I wanna cook the rest. Alrighty. I did take off the skin, and I'm gonna boil the chicken first. I'm making the sauce right now, and then I'll just leave the recipe down below. Okay, I'll be using 1 cup of the cream of chicken, and then 1 cup of the broth. 2 tablespoons of the flour into the butter mixture, and then whisk that together. Put the sauce in there, the cream of chicken, and then the broth, chicken broth. Okay. We're still doing the sauce, and what we're gonna do now is do 1 cup of the sour cream, 1 cup of the cheese, put it into the sauce mixture. And I just got this on a low heat for now. This is a half cup. We got the cheese, 1 cup as well. So I'm using the Monterey Jack. I wanted to get pepper jack, but there was no pepper jack. And then I'm going to use the cheddar on the outside. So we're just going to mix this together. So it did call for 2 cups of the chicken broth, but I decided to use the cream of chicken for 1 cup, and the other one would be the broth. So We will now put some salt and pepper in here. First time I'm making my own sauce. Usually I was using the cream of chicken. Okay. Just a dash or whatever of the salt. So. Okay, while we let this kind of melt down, I'm gonna go ahead and do the chicken mixture. Mixture, we're gonna put 1/2 cup of sour cream. Got sour cream up inside this thing. Got a cup of cheese. Just gonna give it a mix, and then we'll be wrapping it soon. Okay. Just gonna put some of the sauce underneath. And then I did warm this up because sometimes when it's just out of the package, it's hard. So I just warmed it up 30 seconds in the microwave. Okay, and then we're gonna just wrap this. And then I'm gonna make some rice as well, like a Mexican rice. Okay. Best I could do. I feel like this is a lot of sauce. Yeah, I feel like that is a lot. Okay. A lot of sauce on there. Okay. So I'm just gonna grate the cheese. We're gonna just throw this in the oven. Okay. Make some Mexican rice. I forgot to put the onion into the chicken. That's okay because I like the raw onion on top of my enchilada. just gonna brown my rice in here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there. I'm gonna put this in here. Guys, I forgot to show you guys the end result from last night, but it came out really good. On top, the green sauce. I like the green sauce, it's really good. But I thought so. My friend thought so too, so it's a pass. Thumbs up for this one, this recipe. Cilantro makes everything good all the time. And I put a lot of the sour cream on top, inside I mean, but we're gonna go ahead and put some on the top there. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the jalapenos, and that is it. The jalapenos was good. There. There. And then that is the end product, and it was so good. Alrighty guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Oh, and I got this recipe from ChatGPT just to let you guys know. You can get a lot of stuff from there, but this came out really good. Alright, see you guys in my next video.